Hey everybody, it's Junior here. I wanted to do a quick video on cleaning the outside of an air conditioning unit, okay, known as central air. So I'll show you. Okay, all right, over a period of time, okay, when I mow the grass, okay, obviously grass, okay, from here all the way around to right here, okay, back there a little bit too, okay, the grass in here in the radiator, okay, it's like a big radiator thing around this, okay. And what happens is, like I said, is every time it rains or you mow grass, weed whack, or whatever it is, all the dirt, debris gets stuck up inside of here, okay. So what I do, okay, take this hose, okay, now you don't want to full jet it. This is full jet it. You don't want to do that. Okay, what you just saw, you don't want to do that, because if you do, you're going to bend the fins behind this. You're going to bend the fins behind this. Okay, all you have to do, basically what I do is I put my like how it is here, okay, and I basically squeeze it, okay, just like that, and this is what I do, okay. And what happens, all that dirt grass built up, all comes out, okay, like this. You don't have to do it as fast. You can do it slow. See, look at all that grass built up. Look at it. That's all grass built up and stuff. See it? All grass built up. Keep doing it like this. Okay. See how dirty it is? Okay. And what it does by cleaning it helps the helps the AC central air unit outside. Okay. Breathe easier. Okay. Helps it breathe easier. Just do that like this. All like this. Okay, so you basically do that from here all the way around. I mean, you can also do it back there too, but all around, if you want to do it all around. Okay, so when it blows out warm air, from what I was told by a technician, an AC technician, that technician said it's fine when it blows out hot air. Okay, that's what it's supposed to do. Now, by cleaning it like I just did, okay, helps it breathe better, okay, and run better, supposedly, again, from what the technician said. So I sprayed it. So I hope this video helps, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you could subscribe to my channel, I'd really deeply appreciate it. If you could hit that post notification bell, so when I do post a new video, everybody be notified. Until the next video, bye.